Hi, I'm Owen and I'm here with Milwaukee to show you the best lighting solutions for mechanics. Lighting is critical in the workshop, whether you're inspecting undercarriages, working on paintwork or carrying out diagnostics. Milwaukee's automotive lights are engineered to adapt, perform and survive. In this video, I'll answer the most frequently asked questions about choosing the right lighting for every scenario and demonstrate each light in the real job site conditions. A common question from mechanics is, what's the best light for servicing large vehicles like trucks and vans? For instance, this Ranger behind me. The M18 area boom light is designed for this. With a built-in magnet and integrated handle, it can be positioned exactly where it's needed. The articulation points deliver 890 degrees horizontal and 900 degrees vertical rotation, plus over 1 meter of reach, perfect for those awkward spaces. It delivers 1,000, 1,500 and 2,500 lumens with up to 4.5 hours runtime on high output, using the M18 5 amp hour battery and weighs in at just 4.5 kilos. This light folds down for easy storage and the rubber boot protects the surfaces. Mechanics often ask, what is the best hands-free solution for undercarriage work? The M12 undercarriage light is the first of its kind, offering unmatched manoeuvrability with pivoting arms and strong magnetic base for ramps, trolleys, creepers or other vehicle surfaces. A 30cm magnetic tray holds nuts and bolts securely. There are 3 output modes. 600 lumens on low setting will give you up to 10 hours of light. 800 lumens on the medium setting will give you up to 6 hours of light. And 1200 lumens on the highest setting will give you up to 4 hours of light. All of these figures are provided with the M12 4 amp hour battery. Another frequent question is, what's the best light for quick inspections and tight spaces? The USB rechargeable stick light. It offers a 4-in-1 functionality: inspection, work, flashlight and area light. The 220 degrees rotating light head reaches wheel wells, interiors and undercarriage spots. It runs on a red lithium 3 amp hour battery, and on the highest setting it gives you 550 lumens with 2 hours of runtime. On the low setting you will get 250 lumens of light with 4.5 hours runtime. It also has a spotlight mode on the top which will give you 250 lumens on high mode and 2 hours of light. And on the low mode, you will get 100 lumens with 5 hours of light. It features a single/dual panel output, magnetic back, hook storage and USB-C charging. Is there a more comfortable alternative to headlamps? Yes. The USB rechargeable neck light is a great alternative, stopping any unwanted head pressure from wearing those headlamps all day. The sweat-resistant band ensures all-day comfort and the 130-degree rotating head provides precision illumination. There are 2 modes which you can select by holding on the mode button at the top. And again, this is powered by a red lithium 3 amp hour battery. You can get 400 lumens on high mode and 200 lumens on low mode. You can conveniently charge the red lithium USB battery internally with the USB-C, and the built-in battery gauge clearly shows the status of the battery. What's the best way to light up an engine bay? The M12 LED underhood light is perfect for this. It extends from 119 centimeters to 196 centimeters. The wear-resistant finish guard hooks provide long-lasting protection against scratches to your vehicle's finish. It rotates vertically and provides 2 times more gripping surface for secure mounting. On an M12 4 amp hour battery, it will give you 600 lumens on the low setting, which is 8 hours of runtime, and on the high mode, you will get 1,350 lumens with 4 hours of runtime. If you work with paint and need to know how to achieve accurate colour matching, the M12 colour matching light is the ideal solution. This light has a 98+ colour rendering index, so you can identify and find the correct colour match before painting. And it also features 5 different colour temperatures so that you can easily replicate real sunlight requirements to check for those correct colour coverages post-painting. For hands-free operation, this light is equipped with a magnet on the back. Using an M12 4-amp-hour battery, the highest mode provides 1000 lumens for up to 4 hours of runtime. The medium mode provides 600 lumens and up to 6 hours of runtime. And get an all-day runtime of 12 hours on the low mode, which provides you with 300 lumens. So, can these lights handle harsh workshop conditions, you ask? Absolutely they can. All of these lights that you have seen today are resistant to common workshop chemicals and built with a robust housing and use TRUEVIEW lighting technology for consistent and accurate illumination. They're designed to adapt, perform and survive. Thanks for watching. If you have found this useful, give us a like and subscribe for more Milwaukee lighting tips, products, demos and trade insights. If you have a question about Milwaukee automotive lighting, drop it in the comments and stay tuned for upcoming videos.